Ferdinand Verbiest had used this weird little creature in 1672, and its method of operation had been known for a very long time. Thus, it had many ancestors. Another clergyman, Abbe Nollet, tried in France in 1748 with a small device that looked roughly similar, but was powered by a steam jet in response. The primary source confirming the existence of the Aeolipyle is a 15th century German text that depicts a chariot with 4 wheels and a spout at the back via which steam might be released. Unless it was the powder charge, this ancient device might have been powered by a rocket, in which case it was the precursor to rocket engines. This type of carriage is currently on display in pristine shape in Karlsruhe, Germany. It appears that the creator, a Frenchman, tested the vehicle in Paris in 1775. This Aeolipyle operated on the same idea as Father Verbiest's cart. A paddle wheel was driven by a steam jet that emerged from a curved spout, and the paddle wheel in turn was driven by a set of gears that controlled the driving wheels. The machine could turn in a circle thanks to the screw-threaded locking mechanism on the little steering wheel. The water in the upper tank was heated by blazing embers in the bottom basin via a tube. And after a short while, there would be a loud whistle and lots of smoke as the wagon started. When such a machine whirled around by itself, smoking and whistling, it is easy to picture the impression it must have had on the layman of the day. Still, we were a long way from actual mechanical propulsion, and these little toys were mainly for testing. It took a while for these incredible scientific victories to be applied.